Hello vloggers. I had a question from one of you about how the media mod is doing with the Sennheiser MKE 200 on the GoPro. Here I have a GoPro Hero 8, and one of the questions was what's happening if you're moving around, and is there any noise that's getting picked up, any kind of disturbances. And so one of the things that I found is that you have to be careful with how the microphone cable is connected to your GoPro, that if the cable happens to knock up against the GoPro while you're shaking it around, then you'll pick up some disturbances that way. But here we are with the test. I have the MKE 200 connected, and although that you're looking at me from a different viewpoint, the sound is coming from the MKE 200 on my GoPro. So let me shake it around a bit, and it'll be interesting to see how this affects the sound. Next, what I'll do is I'll unplug the microphone and we'll try it again with just the microphone that's on the media mod itself, and let's compare that. So now I've got just the microphone on the media mod connected, and I'm going to shake around and see what's going on. As you can see, I've completely taken off the cable from the Sennheiser MKE 200 on this test, and so there shouldn't be any disturbances from the cable hitting in this case. Anyway, I hope you found this video interesting, and thank you for watching. Have a very nice day.